Every single thing in our known world today has been imagined by someone at some point in time and taken an idea out of absolute nothingness. The fact that you can imagine, the fact that you can create something is absolute proof that you are divine.
See, you are the master cell, the microcosmic container of the macrocosmic all that is. This healing is given to you and me and every being in all existence, including and helping in your healing. Let the focus come in.
I began to decode belief systems, structures, the ability to begin to wipe the slate clean and begin to look at everything that we're experiencing and ask the question, have I been told the truth? Or do I need to go and find the truth out myself?
What it is an eyeball that looks three-dimensional. The ways that I've done it, man, I cannot mention it to my bro. It looks too crazy. I shine, you shine, everybody's trying. I shine. You guys got this, you got this. Yeah, we're almost done.
We are innately creative. It is a natural part of our beingness to be creative. And creative courage is knowing absolutely that you are a divine being and that your expression of creativity is perfect.
So many people caught up in themselves, instead of neglecting that and saying, hey, you need to let go of the ego, all you need to tell them is, hey, all is self. The better that you make yourself, then you will be able to not only assist yourself, and the reflection of who you become will emit in everything that you create. You'll become a vibrational hub or frequency or transmitter for those who are around you and those who are looking for that change.
Your whole reason for being here, your whole purpose for being on the earth, to express who you really are. That we might know through your expression of that who we are. Most of the people in the world are looking inside and they're desperately hoping that what you are demonstrating here is the actual reality and the ultimate truth. The real reason for us to gather in places like this is to celebrate the art of living.